Hello everyone, it's Miss Wong here, and today I'm going to read you section 3 of the article called Pumped Up to help you to be able to do your assignment for this week. First, let's just review a little bit that we are working in E3D on issue 9, self-image, and our question is, does the media focus on beauty have an ugly side? So we're thinking about, do images in the media harm teens' body image? And we started reading the article called The Ugly Effects of Beauty. In the first section, we read about this topic, skinny cells and so do muscles. And we talked about how the media show skinny women and muscular men because they want to sell their products. And that a lot of these images are not realistic, and that might make teens feel like they need to be perfect. Then we read section 2 of the article called Dying to be Thin. And this section was mostly about women developing eating disorders as a result of having a negative body image. And then we talked about how the next section would be more focused on boys, although both of these affect both men and women. But this section, called Pumped Up, is more about muscles, which tends to be more about men and boys. So you can see there's a photo here with two boys looking at a muscle and fitness magazine. And the caption says, male models, actors, and athletes are increasingly muscular and lean. So we can start to get an idea in our mind about how these boys might be thinking when they're looking at these pictures of these unrealistic muscular bodies. Remember, we talked a little bit in class about what it takes to get a body like that, to spend all day working out and watching what you eat. Okay, so I'm going to read section 3 right now, and you can follow along with me, and this will help you, I hope, in doing your assignment for the week. Pumped up. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Girls aren't the only ones worried about their physical appearance. While only 10% of anorexics are male, boys have their own issues with body image. Jason Dean was skinny at age 14. The male images he saw in ads had buff, chiseled torsos and didn't reflect the diverse body types of the real world. I saw everyone around me getting bigger, Dean says. You see your friends getting bigger. You see athletes getting bigger. Dean's reaction was to lift weights 5 days a week, 2 hours at a time. Soon, classmates noticed that his obsession with bodybuilding was not appropriate. I started becoming known as that weird guy who works out all the time, he says. However, many male teens don't stop in their quest to be bigger and stronger. A study by Oregon Health and Science University showed that 78% of high school athletes tried to improve their bodies with supplements such as creatine, ginseng, mahuang, and androstenedione. Other studies reveal that 2% of male teens use anabolic steroids, which can become a dangerous drug habit. Can you blame this sort of unhealthy behavior on the media? David Zingendo, the editor of Men's Health magazine, says no. He defends the lean, muscular images that he puts on the cover of his magazine. What's good about that image is that it's the picture of health, he says. Even if images in the media don't lead to serious problems, they can still have a negative influence on teens. The Body Project, funded by the National Institutes of Health, encourages teens to perceive how the media affects them. These people who promote the perfect body really don't care about you at all, says Kelsey Hertel, a Body Project participant. They purposefully make you feel like less of a person, so you'll buy their stuff and they'll make money. So what advice does the Body Project give teens? Don't try to be someone that you're not. Be yourself.